what Plug and Play would like to do is to embrace what is already happening here.
I'm very glad to be able to celebrate this opening launch event today because it will really start the cooperation between Plug and Play and Uptown Basel.
To stay on top of the world, you need to be way more innovative, and that is what Plug and Play wants to bring to the table here in Switzerland.
We would love to, with Industrial 4.0 and other vertical like InsurTech or FinTech or financial services, to accelerate 50 startups per year, and we would like to invest in 10 of them.
We had a very, very incredible feeling to be here because we had the opportunity to present to 200 people coming from the heart of the drug development in Europe.
Plug and Play has the ability and the network to bring companies also outside from Switzerland to this place and to do a good networking internationally.
Everyone that can hear me, I would love to invite you to join this Plug and Play innovation platform in Uptown Basel. I guarantee you will have an exciting interaction with investor, with clients, corporate partners, and we will have a great journey together.